Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we complete our discussion on heritage language. In the last video, we said that heritage language is the language of ancestors living in the non-native environment of the language, so that their offsprings or their children are not treated as native speakers of that language, while the dominant language in the society they live in is actually their native language. So in this video, we talk about, we provide some insights, more information about heritage language. For some researchers, heritage language speakers are treated as bilinguals, but they do not use the language as they use their primary language. They are imbalanced bilinguals. Okay, in next classes, when we come to discuss the concept of bilingualism, we will have different or various, sometimes more than 20 different definitions of bilingualism or bilinguals. Okay, one of the definitions of bilingualism or the types of bilingualism is what is termed balanced or imbalanced bilinguals. Balanced bilinguals, those who speak two languages hand in hand, or those who developed actually equal competence or knowledge of both languages, so the first and the second language. So the two languages are practiced equally. But those who speak two languages, but one language is more dominant than the other, is actually called imbalanced bilingual. So um, heritage language speakers are treated as imbalanced bilingual speakers. Okay. Why imbalanced? Because one language is more dominant, more commonly used, more frequently used than the other, and the linguistic input or the exposure that they have received for one language is higher than the other. Okay, so that's why they are actually treated imbalanced bilinguals. The knowledge of heritage language speakers vary considerably, actually, from one speaker to another. Some speakers were raised in a home where parents speak only a heritage language, while others have very little exposure to their language. So, actually, whenever we talk about the concept of heritage language, we cannot say that all language speakers or heritage language speakers develop or acquire the language imperfectly, or it is actually a form of imperfect or incomplete acquisition of the heritage language. Some language learners actually develop full competence actually of or achieve full competence of the heritage language, so that the degrees of acquisition vary from one language speaker to another. For example, in Jordan, we have Chechens, okay, who speak the Chechen language, which is the language of their ancestors, is a glaring example of the heritage language. They brought their language with them. So within their communities, they practice the Chechen language, but not all speakers actually develop full knowledge or full competence of that language or speak that language perfectly. So it depends on the degree of exposure to the language. يعطيكم العافية.